Very happening scene. I can't believe we're so close to reaching. What do you call that? 7,500 people. Oof, oof. What a very good day. What a good day in the market. Yeah. What a good day in the markets. Matlab, market was bad for everyone else. What a good day. Yeah. Happiest Minds. I think Happiest Minds was finally breached 1,000, right? Deepak went up. Loris went up. My tips and Saregama went up. Crazy. I am loving it. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day, what a day, what a day. Sipla was slightly predictable, Anubhav. And if you took advantage, yes. No, but the thing is, where are all those people who are saying it is not moving, it is not moving, it is not moving? I hope people have now understood how a stock market moves, right? Things consolidate for a time and then goes up. It consolidates. If people don't know what consolidate is, it waits for some time, then goes up, does one small rally. Then again, it waits for some time, does a small rally. It keeps doing that. So for all the people who are not aware of the stock market, this is how it actually works, right? Now see, something in our portfolio, something had moved a lot. Now there are few things that are not moving, right? Like if you look at Subex, is not moving. It'll take time, but see, again it'll move after some time. Abhi wo consolidating phase pe Deepak is in a consolidating phase. So it takes time, guys. Don't expect every day it should go up, and why is it not going up? Aarti also went up today, but again, Aarti, I don't know. Sometimes it goes up, suddenly it comes down. Pata nahi. Tata Alexi is up. Yes, everything. It was a very good day for the. Should I should also name my thing something? No, I should name my small case something. Not Shashank small case. I should also name it like weekend investing or capital mind. Connecting the dots portfolio. Oof, oof. I think that should be the nice CTD portfolio. Connecting the dots. Should be nice. Yeah. We'll just wait for people to come so we can start. My concentrated portfolio. So I remember I told you I consolidated my stocks and I just currently have one 14 stock portfolio. That's it, right? Only 14 stocks. That whole basket of 14 stocks have gone up by 2.5% today. That's it. Just 14 stocks. Apart from obviously weekend investing, वो तो फिर भी है. But 14 stocks and that's it. By the way, that June 10th is when I invested in that, uh, when I made that small case, okay, which was what, around exactly 20 days ago. It's up by 8% today overall. So good stuff. Very good stuff. Highest returns by Saregama and Tips. Crazy. Again, guys, this is a disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So please do not buy or sell anything that I recommend. Please do your own research. I do not recommend any buys and any sells. Yes, I never have and I never will. You have to do your own research and be an educated investor. Cut. Chalo. Disclaimer. Yeah, you have to give disclaimer nowadays. Dude, yesterday, I don't know how many of you all. So I love this one YouTuber. Okay, like it's just too awesome to see. I know it's like a very calming feeling when you see this finance YouTuber. Can you guess which finance YouTuber I'm talking about? Like he talks in the same tone. No, 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 no. Same tone. Nope. Yes, Biswas. Biswas was right. No, no, same tone. Very chill, very calm. PR Sundar, guys. I was watching PR Sundar yesterday. So, hello, my name is PR Sundar, and today the episode name is PR Sundar Exposed. I was like, wow, dude, this is so calm. Even if there's an earthquake happening, no, I can just watch his content and be so calm about it. Like if I'm doing options and futures, I think I would want him sitting next to me. Shashank, that is not good for you to buy. I'm like, jaldi bolo, upar niche ja rahe. You have to. I'm like, yes, tell me right now. Wait, just hold. Like, ठीक है. Nice. Returns आ गया. I did not panic. Dude, I don't know if you guys observe it, but when I watch his content, I'm actually like, I love it. Like, it's really nice content. Like, it is so calm. Like, I watched this episode that he put out yesterday, right? Which was PR Sundar exposed. And I was like, wow, this is so crazy. And he showed his entire portfolio, not portfolio, but his entire PNL statement from the last 5 years, I think, right? And I was like, wow, he's put out some 14 crores he's made in profit. Yeah, trollers are that only, bro. They love putting you down. I mean, the thing is, they love how if someone's going up, no, they don't care whether that person's doing good or bad stuff, right? They just want to put you down, and that is very common, right? That's why I say there are two types of audiences that follow you, right? One is the loyal audience who understands where you're coming from and puts themselves in your shoes, right? Because it's called empathy. A lot of people do that. And then there are the other type of people who just want to blame, who love blaming, right? ये क्यों नहीं किया, वो क्यों नहीं, after doing everything they'll be like ये क्यों नहीं किया, वो क्यों नहीं किया. So I'll tell you an example, right? In one of the videos that I was doing for Grow, it was the EV episode. Have you guys seen that? There was an EV video that I'd done. Now, when I shoot videos, I do everything live. I do it in one take, by the way. Like I try as much as possible not to do takes because it's time waste, right? So 18 stocks. Okay, it was a fucking long video. And when I was doing that, I think instead of saying electric vehicle segment, I by mistake said electronic vehicle segment. Okay, one mistake I did. Okay, I just said electronic vehicle instead of electric vehicle, which is fine. No, I mean, देखा गया तो ठीक है, मतलब जितना knowledge मिल रहा है, take it and sit down, right? That video has got around 250K views. Okay, and the most of the comments just say it's not electronic, it is electric. And I'm like, oh, the video is 45 minutes long. Instead of sitting and learning about and understanding about the, it's like when I said electronic instead of electric, it's like automatically they did not understand the 45 minutes video. They're like, shit, ye to kuch alag hi alien bhasha bol diya. He said something else, that industry which I don't know only. Electric vehicle, I understand. What is this electronic vehicle? We can't understand this video. And no, for such people I don't reply, right? I've given up nowadays. Earlier I used to take it into heart and I used to reply to people saying nahi aisa nahi hai, waisa hai, you're not understanding my justification. See, if there is a smart question, okay, and someone's willing to learn, or there's a smart question where someone is willing to understand, or it's like and they are, imagine they're inquisitive, right? They're like, what is your take on this, because I have this kind of a take, what is your take on this? And they're open to understanding. But there are some type of people, nay, you are wrong. Whatever reply you give me, also you are wrong. And if you don't give me a reply, also you are wrong. And if you are planning to give a reply, let me tell you first, only you are wrong. So there are people like that also, right? Which are wrong, which you are wrong, whatever you do, you're wrong. So kuch nahi kar sakte usme life mein. So yeah, that is happening in life. How many of you all came for the live video yesterday? It was my first live video. It was so weird, I feel. I don't know whether it was good or bad. It was literally live. I realized some people asked me, okay, do some review and tell me whether what you look at in a stock and stuff like that. I don't know if I think I did a bit too much deep dive also, because that's what usually I do, right? Whereas I've seen a lot of people, when you ask these live YouTubers, sir, iska review kar do, he'll just go there, look at a few charts, nahi acha nahi hai, and he'll get out without giving any justification as to why, what, how. That's the problem, right? When I actually do research on if someone says me, can you please check this out, I actually go so deep into it that sometimes I only get confused. Okay, yeah. Yeah, like yesterday there was a question saying, why is Lindt chocolate so expensive? Right? And I'm like, dude, like what? Like seriously, like why? Like it's like saying melody इतनी chocolatey क्यों है? And I'm like, dude, like अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ? किसके लिए क्या मतलब? Is there any solution to why is Lindt chocolate so expensive? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not Willy Wonka. But yeah, I get such things. I get such haters also. What to do? But that's what I keep thinking. Let's spin this story around. Okay, before I start, I'm just waiting for a few people. Now, assume, can someone tell me what the reaction would be if they had invested in that small case of mine and it went in a loss? Assume, what if it was 15% down? What would the reaction of people be? How many of the people will get pissed off as hell? Even though it was very clearly mentioned that you have to do your own research and this is only for educational purpose, and I'm just showing you what I believe in. Rest is up to you, right? Everything is up to you. But still, what would happen? Just imagine. Yes, yes, Nikunj is right. MLM scammer, fraud, yeah, all that nonsense. So this is what I keep thinking, right? Sometimes, key, what happens on the flip side? What would happen on the flip side? And that when you see the flip side, no, because I've never seen the flip side, I've never seen the downfall, right? Everyone's seen the downfall in their life. Everyone's seen, influencers, most of the influencers have this downfall. Most of these influencers have these bad moments where they go through, right, where the whole market is against them because they said something or did something, right? But I've never had that yet. I don't know how I'll react to it. I don't know how many of my true followers will still be there. How many of them will be like, nahi, ye useless aadmi hai, nikal ja. Because my game in my head is very simple. It is not a short term game. I am playing the long game for 50 years. I want to retire by 55. By 50 I want to make enough money, then withdraw all my money from the market from 50 to 55 and relax. Yes, do Shashank redemption from the age of 50. I will do redemption strategy and I will chill. Chill in Goa. Chill. Why Goa? I'll have enough money to go international and chill. Why come back only 180 days? You can go abroad, right? I'll stay 180 days abroad. That is my plan. So for all the people who, now I don't know how many people will stick till the end. How many people will move on, right? How many times I might move on, because what if I only give up one day and I'm like, I'm done being a content creator, I'm out, I'm taking a break from this life. बहुत stress हो रहा है life में, right? मजा आ जाएगा. Like I don't even know what I'll do. But yeah, crazy. Okay. No, because you should always be ready for the opposite side, is what I say, right? When I see such things, right, when the market's going up, and everything's doing well, you should also realize that we are living in a very different kind of a market today, which is slightly there's too much liquidity in the market right now. That's why everything's going up and down so fast. But this was not the market that I lived in, right? From 2016 to 2020, it was a very different market before COVID, where the entire year, mein, the market used to go up by 10-12%, right? And if you were lucky, you would find those gems that would go up by 20% in a year. That was what used to happen. Abhi to 20% 2 mahine mein ja raha hai, right? I don't know how long this will I don't know how long this will go on for, but I'm just saying, be prepared mentally for slow growth, for not things not moving. 5 din stock doesn't move, some people start messaging me, sir, why is this not moving, why is this not moving? I don't know. I'm investing for another reason, not because to see 5 days mein move or ki nahi. Mine is like 1 year का टाइम फ्रेम है. So if you believe that you don't have 1 year time frame, इतना टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास, then don't invest. Like, there are 100 other things. Go watch other people and invest what they have to do. Mine's a very long term game, and whenever I change my long term strategy, I've always informed people. But it's fun. I want to see the other side. क्या होगा? Like, imagine market correction of 25%, and the entire 30k small case goes down to zero. What will happen? That is the day I will actually, because the smart guys will average it. Definitely smart guys will average it. But all the other guys, I want to see who all will take tension and get out. We will see. It's going to be fun. Yeah. Okay, chalo. Oh man, today again one hectic day. I have a call now at 4:30 to 5:30. Then I have a podcast at 6 o'clock. Not podcast, but a video interview with someone at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So that's gonna happen as well. Intense shit. What, where? Everything here only, घर पे, Bombay में. And then day after tomorrow I'm back. Okay. So, not podcast, it's actually a video interview. Actually, I was trying to hide it till now. I didn't want to tell anyone that I'm starting a podcast, but I think it has got revealed by mistake. But yeah, my team will be very disappointed that it got slightly, slightly out of hand. I think one of my team members is also listening to my chats, and she'll be like, "Sir, why did you open your mouth, sir? It was supposed to be a planned surprise, but it's okay. It's only 270 of y'all. It's fine. It's coming out soon. And guess what the name is? Guess what the name is? Yeah, Dinky is right. Yep. Crazy, no? What a name. I was like, kya name rakhu, kya name rakhu? And I'm like, dude, let me put something that I'm very familiar and famous for. Connecting the dots with Shashank Udapa. That's it. Simple shit. Nice, no? I should make some t-shirts also called Connecting the Dots. Literally. That's my tagline. Everyone has their own tagline. I'll be like Connecting the Dots tagline. Okay, let's start the session quickly before we don't have any more time. Merch, yeah. I have to make merch. I have to get merch from someone. Let's see. You guys should gift me merches, dude, when you guys exit. Why I should make my own merch? That's so sad. Actually, I should. I'll make one t-shirt called Connecting the Dots. But then उसके लिए font size ढूंढो, font type ढूंढो, font color ढूंढो, उसके लिए logo बनाओ. Dude, it's just one pain, man. Our podcast paid? No, man, no pod. How I don't know if podcasts are paid. I don't know how podcast industry works, but I'm just interviewing founders. To be honest, there's no payment or paidness here. Just interviewing some influencers, interviewing some founders, but talking about how they have connected the dots in the past, and how they can. I have never entered the podcast industry. I don't know how it works. I'm just doing it because I have the leverage and the connections to talk to big people in the industry. I thought, let me just do one because everyone has one, so I try kar leta. So let's see. Yeah, if you guys, anyone is a t-shirt manufacturer in the chat, definitely please gift me one connecting the dots simple outfit. Thank you. I don't have time and patience to figure out good or bad. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what happened in the market today? Very, very bad market. It actually went up in the morning. Well, actually, it was up till around 1 o'clock, 1:30 tak upar tha, and then I think it fell down in the end. Especially Nifty Bank took a big hit. So all the people who were in Nifty Bank. Okay, do you know why Nifty Bank took a big hit? Right now, this is a very common thing in the market. I don't know whether you guys know this, but whenever IT sector goes up, banking sector goes down. Do you know that? It's a weird correlation that's there in the market. Whenever IT sector goes up, the banking sector goes down. So if you see IT sector going up, so for example, if you, I don't know why, to be honest, Venkat, I actually don't know why that correlation is there. But I have seen every time, whenever Infosys and Happiest Minds and all the IT index rallies, no, is it but how is banks affected by currency conversion? That I don't know, to be honest. Like, wouldn't banks be happy because they get more sale and then they can actually convert, because they make money on fees, right? How do they care whether it's forex or not? उन लोग को बस एक fees मिलता है. um, I don't know. I'm not very sure about that, but yeah, what I mean is, whenever the IT sector goes up, I've always seen that when the IT index goes up, the Nifty Bank index goes down. So this is something that is very common and it happens. Okay. So today, when you see the IT stock rallying, you can automatically predict that the banking Nifty is going to go down, and it went down today drastically. By the way, it went down by minus 238, right? And that is quite sad. Yeah, it went down by minus 238. Sensex is at minus 66, so that is also sad. What happened with our famous ITC? Poor thing. Yeah, everyone's ganging up on ITC. I just feel so sad. See, I tried to go to money control and write ITC. It says form not secure. Poor thing. Even money controls making fun of it. Wait. So this is the problem, right? For all the people in Bangalore will understand this. You have Act Internet that is insanely fast. Okay, Act Internet. Now all the people who are in Bombay will understand this. I have MTNL. Okay, when you have MTNL, your mind gets fried insanely fast because its load time is insane. मस्त लोटता है man. मतलब it takes its own sweet time. Yeah, so ITC is back to 202.70. I think two more rupees down and it will go to 200. By the way, there's a lot of talk that if ITC breaches 200, right? If it goes below 200, then apparently, I don't know, depending on some technical analysis, I don't know how sure this is, but it is a big issue, right? When that happens. So hopefully it doesn't break 200 because then there will be new memes of new 100 rupee stock, 100 rupee money to be converted to ITC. That would be quite sad, right? And that shouldn't happen because ITC is one of the biggest players in the market. Now, Amul announces pan India hike in prices of milk by only 2 rupees. So all the milk that you see across India is going to be increased by 2 rupees. Connecting the dots, how can we connect these dots? Because Amul is not a listed player, sadly. If Amul was a listed player, this would definitely mean a massive jump in the revenues. Correct? Massive jump in the revenues. And why did this 2 rupees increase happen? I'll tell you, right? The hike in the milk price became necessary due to the rise in food inflation. Additionally, the cost of packaging has gone up by 30 to 40%. The transportation cost has gone up by 30%, and the energy cost has gone up by 30%, which led to the increase in the input cost. You know what type of inflation this is? This is cost push inflation, right? For all the people who don't know, this is cost push inflation, right? Where the inflation is coming in the raw materials, okay, in the input cost, in the manufacturing cost, the raw materials are going up. So automatically what happens, the end consumer, which is me and you, obviously the company will put it on us because we have to buy it, and then we end up paying 2 rupees. Now remember we spoke about inflation, right? If I had 100 rupees I could buy one milk packet. Now with 100 rupees I can't buy one milk packet. Why? Because there's 102 rupees, right? And that is only due to inflation. Punjab and Sindh Bank and Central Bank offer the lowest rates on car loans, ranging from 6.8 to 7.55%. It's a funny thing because car loans and housing loans are almost the same right now, right? Car loans and housing loans are almost the same right now. So that's interesting to watch. Today one very good news came in the morning. I had got up at around 6 a.m in the morning to take the RT-PCR test to come back to Bangalore. But then the news came out today in the morning saying that if you're double dosed, then you don't need to do the RT-PCR test. You can actually show your vaccine certificate and fly. And I was so happy because while coming I had to put that thing up my nose, and it's very annoying. I don't know, I don't like it. For some people it's fine, but it's really really annoying, right? Now, remember yesterday we spoke about one guy called Ashwath Damodaran who spoke about Bitcoin, right? The valuation expert. Now, some people might say this term saying that bahut bol raha hai, right? Because yesterday he said what? He said that Bitcoin has miserably failed us all, right? You remember that, correct? He said that Bitcoin has failed us all yesterday. Today he's come out with another thing. Today he's saying Michael Burry should have retired right after the big shot. Burn. Now, this is something that I don't like, right? I know you're the valuation expert and I know you're great, considered the dean of valuation, and you know you're awesome. But दूसरे का इसमें मत करो ना. Why? He's sitting there in US talking about, and he never said crash. You know what Michael Burry said recently? He said we will have the mother of all inflation first, right? He said we will have the highest inflation rates firstly. He never said crash hoga abhi. So Damodaran is like 2008 crash के बाद Michael Burry should have just retired. उसका big shot came out. He was in the right place at the right time. You look like a market expert, so you should retire and not come, right? He's like, I think there are a lot of people who think deeply about the markets. Michael Burry is not one of them. So I think that not to even respond to a comment by him is giving him more value, more respect than he truly deserves. I'm like, burn, man. Like, what is this? तो ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया. Where did he say this? It's on Money Control. Just Google Michael Burry, Ashwat Damodran. You'll see this. It's actually there from on Money Control. Because why? Apparently, recently Burry tweeted, right? He tweeted saying when crypto falls from trillions or meme stock fall from tens of billions, Main Street losses will approach the size of countries. History ain't changed. Okay, this is what he has said right now. And Ashwat said he should just retire right now. Now, do you guys know why? Um, do you guys know why he said that? Can someone make sense of why Michael Burry said that? When crypto falls from trillions and meme stock falls from tens of billions, Main Street will lose more. Main Street will lose more than the size of countries. Can someone tell me? Can someone connect this dot? I tell you what, right? Currently, in the market right now, currently there is too much liquidity. Do you guys agree? Too much money in the market. पहले इतना वॉल्यूम था ही नहीं जितना अभी है. Right now, too many people are investing, and I'm not talking about India. I'm talking about the global scenario. Right, 3 years ago, half the people didn't even know what demat account is. A lot of people till now don't know what a demat account is, right? But so many people have entered the market today all over the world. So tomorrow when there is a crash, okay, every time there's a crash that happens, the people who are affected are the market participants who are affected, right? Okay, there are, assume there are 1,000 people investing in the market. If there's a rise, they enjoy. If there's a crash, they feel sad. Cool, no issues. Now there are, instead of 1,000, there are 10,000 people in the market. Automatically the liquidity in the market, now what happens is the volatility goes up. Correct, number one. It can go up and down faster. Yes. Now, if it goes up, the entire money that is involved goes up more. And if it falls down, the money that is involved falls down more. So today, if there is a 5% drop in the market, and also market has reached all-time highs, crypto market has reached all-time highs. Okay. But there are so many countries whose entire size is still the same. They have not grown at the same rate of the market, or they have not grown at the same rate of crypto. So obviously tomorrow when there is a 10% correction, and if you just look at, say for example, you look at just you look at Bitcoin, right? One second. MTN is like, you have to wait. I will show you Bitcoin in 2 minutes. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, I don't know what the market cap of Bitcoin is. Okay, let me show you. Market cap of Bitcoin is $651 billion. $650 billion. Now, if Bitcoin goes down by even 10%, okay, that is a fall. If it goes by 10%, right, that is a fall of $6.5 billion. Right now, obviously, if you compare $6 billion to some small country, that is very big. Okay, Apple became the I think no, Facebook became the company to reach $1 trillion market cap. Right now, if Facebook is at $1 trillion market cap, which is I think 1,000 billion, if that goes down by 10%, then that's $10 billion in gone down in a single day. $10 billion. Yeah, Microsoft 2 trillion. Okay, it's 100 billion. Okay, my bad. I thought it was 1,000 billion. I don't know. Again, let me check. Is it so? ये ना थोड़ा time के बाद zeros I don't understand only. I thought it was 1,000 billion. If you're saying it's 100 billion, then what the hell? How to find this out? 1 trillion in 1,000 होता है ना? I don't know. Even I'm confused. Some people are saying it's not. Yeah, it's wait, guys. 1 trillion is equal to 1,000 billion. Correct ही बोला था मैंने. Why you are making me doubt myself? 100 billion, that means 100 billion is, I don't think 100 billion would be equal to trillion. That means our Elon Musk is already a 1.84 trillionaire. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. Why you are confusing me, right? uh oh, you said 1% is 10. I don't know, I said 10% of, oh yeah, not 10 billion, 100 billion. Yes, yes, now you're right. Correct, 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 correct. Okay, either way, you get my point. No, and my point is the 10% drop in a stock like Apple, which would not care. Apple would not give a, yeah, my bad, my bad. May confuse ho gaya. Apple would not care at all, right? But a 10% drop would be more than the GDP of so many countries, right? 100 billion ka country, matlab, where will 100 billion be there, dude? So that is the issue. So that is where Michael Burry is coming from, and he clearly said, okay, Michael Burry clearly said that we are going to see the mother of all inflations. Number one. Now, what happens in an inflation cycle? For all the smart people who understand inflations will understand this, that inflation hota hai, then the who's this? Then the Fed comes in, tries to reduce the inflation and tries to increase the rate. When that happens, all the FIIs move out. When FIIs move out, there is a panic selling, which leads to a lot of correction. So all that will happen. Ana hi hai. Whenever there's a rise, there is going to be a fall. Currently, we're in a rise. Okay, the every stock market has to go up slowly. It is not meant to go up fast. If it goes up fast, it is bad for us, right? Shishir is like, make a video on inflation, bana diya hai. Just Google inflation grow, you will see it there, right? So it takes time. It should go up slowly, it should not go up fast, is what I would say, right? If it goes up slowly, it's completely fine. But either way, I don't think Damodaran should say something like this to Michael Burry. I mean, wo apne jagah pe, and he didn't even tell you. So relax karo, sab mil baat ke enjoy karenge, right? Oh wow, look at this. There's a news article on Live Mint that says President Vladimir Putin reveals which COVID vaccine he has taken. Wow. Guys, any guesses what COVID vaccine Russian president would have taken? Just take a wild guess. This is a news. This is a prime time news article. I mean, yes, he took Sputnik. He took Sputnik. I mean, that's their country's own vaccination. I don't know. This is news on Live Mint. And the title also says, guess which COVID vaccine he took. Guess. That I should also do these. I think I'll change my YouTube things also to this. Guess which stock we are discussing today. वो guess के चक्कर में मेरा views बढ़ जाएगा, which is nice. Actually, a lot of people do that, you know. They'll be like, this stock went up 35%, this stock went up 100% in 3 days, all that. And everyone's like, कौन सा stock है ये जो 100% गया? I never do clickbait. That's my biggest issue. I'm just like live with Shashank, or today we are learning company financials. You know, it's such a boring thing. Nobody clicks on it. After you guys watch it, nobody clicks on it. I'm going to change this. I'm going to try, right? Guess this company's financials. 10,000 crore debt. Oh my god, people will be like, oh my god. I'm going to make a new video called How to Become Poor in the Stock Market. Right? Let's see if all these work, because everyone talks about how to become rich. I'll tell you how to become poor. Right? Pura garib. 1 rupee coin I'll be catching. Poor thing. Sad, dude. I mean, sometimes I feel that I should do more clickbaity, but then I feel, yeah, Abhinav actually did that. See, he did really well. No, but he did it from a different angle, right? I'm saying in the stock market, how to become poor, right? I'll show a video where the stock price goes down by 0.01% and I'm selling it. I'm like, oh shit, I lost money, and I'm going to sell it. Yeah, 0.01%. My brokerage will be more than the loss that I have. But yeah, next. Oh, this is so sweet. Google Messages will automatically delete the OTPs once they come in your inbox. That is so sweet because so many of them keep coming. Tata Motors bags an order of 15 hydrogen-based fuel cell buses from Indian Oil Corporation. Okay, so for all the people who are dealing with Tata Motors, this is something that you should uh, check it out definitely, right? Mm. Government extends ban on international flights till July end. Pata hai, we don't even expect it to open very soon. It is sad. Next, lot of funding news. Lot of funding news. Apollo Tires aims to double revenue to 5 billion by 2026. Apollo Tires aims to double revenue by 2026. If they can do that, and we are in 2021, 5 years, if they double the revenues, this is quite interesting. I like when people come out with such news. I'll tell you why. When people come out with such bold statements, no, they tend to usually do that, right? They actually tend to do that. Let me check. Apollo Tires is at a current market cap of 14,000 crores, trading at 225 rupees. Uh, okay. Let me check. I'm checking the financials quickly. Their revenue is 17,000 crores, which is how much in billion? Around three. What? It's not. Aims to double revenue to 5 billion. 5 billion is how much? 7 5 is 35,000 crores. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They want to double that. and their EPS now is currently at 5.68, constantly reducing EPS. What nonsense! 5.68 EPS. Why are they constantly reducing EPS? I have no idea. Right? That means their net profit is declining. Oh, beautiful decline in net profit. So instead of putting a news out saying we will double revenue, you should say we will double our bottom line. Just look at Apollo Tires. Constant decline in net profit after tax, right? So even though if the revenue goes up, yeah, it's stagnated. It won't move. If you look at the last 5 years chart, it won't move at all. So revenue might go up, but if you're not optimizing for your bottom line, then what is the point, right? Chalo, we have a few more. Oh my God, WhatsApp introduces a new feature called View Once. A View Once feature where media disappears after viewing. My God, are you kidding me? The Snapchat in WhatsApp now. क्या मतलब Facebook is at the pinnacle of innovation. Pinnacle. कल ही ढूंढ लेगा वो immortality. Pinnacle. Mad fellow. Crazy. What else? What else? Wow, look at this. Embassy REITs. You guys remember Embassy REITs, right? Embassy REIT is reducing their trading lot size. It was earlier 200 units. If you have to buy Embassy REIT, you have to buy minimum 200 units. Embassy REIT is reducing their trading lot size from 200 units to 1 unit. 1 unit. That's actually very good. I'll tell you why. Yeah, 1 unit. So 350 rupees is the stock. So if you actually had to buy Embassy REIT right now, you have to buy 200 minimum. That's 350 into 200, lot of money, right? Now they're saying you can literally buy 350 from lots to, yeah, more liquidity. As Pranay is saying, you'll have more liquidity, means more volatility, means more up and down chances when the news comes on. Because earlier on you couldn't buy it only, it was so expensive. Like if I want to buy it, is more like a long-term saving kind of a thing that I'm buying. What else? I'm seeing if there's anything else there because I have literally 5 minutes to shut this. Okay, I have 5 minutes left. Let me take someone on stage. Quick question. Someone with a nice DP. I like this guy's DP. Stands out from the crowd and is very similar to mine. Please come up on stage. Okay, not coming up. Oh, he's coming up. Okay. What's up, Prabal?
Hello, Sashank. Hello, it's Prabal.
Oh, Prabal. Okay. Hey, Prabal.
Yeah, hi.
Did you copy my DP?
No, actually, like everyone does this. Like I copied Aman Dhattarwal actually,
Okay.
and
Yeah,
yeah,
if your shoulders were a little more broad, I think there would be no difference.
I will make the changes.
Hmm. Go ahead.
Yeah, so like actually, I wanted to ask like काफी टाइम से क्वेश्चन है ये कि like मतलब जब इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे होते हैं तो उस टाइम पर ऐसा होता है कभी कभी फील आता है कि जब ज़्यादा चला गया है लाइक आई इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस GPIL गोदावरी पावर तो लाइक वो अच्छी कंपनी थी जब ज़्यादा ऊपर चली गई तो आई सोल्ड इट उसके बाद वो
Hmm.
नेक्स्ट डे और ऊपर चली गई तो वो फोमो वाली चीज़ जो है
Hmm.
उसे कैसे टैकल करना चाहिए
Wait, you bought it and then it went down. You sold it and then it went up
नो
again.
नो नो नहीं इट वेंट अप देन आई सोल्ड इट एंड देन इट वेंट अप मोर
That's
so
fine.
actually its
That's okay. You
RSI
made money
was
or not?
above 80
You made
and
money or not?
so I bought. Yeah,
Did you make money or not?
yeah, I made money
You made money and you're still unhappy.
because like next day it was going
सही
more
किया
up
सही
like 10%
किया। वो
up.
तो दुनिया ऊपर जाएगा. Everything will go up only, no, in life, right? Things are going up and people are losing money also in life, bro. That is not that you should be happy that you made money out of a successful trade, which thousands of people can't do. A successful trade, right? So I know
Yeah,
it is FOMO. I know people get sad. I know people feel angry about it. But if it's going up and you exit it, you should be happy and relax about it. Let it go up. Chalega na, ho gaya na. You got down at your stop. You thought that was your stop and you got down. Right? If you had more conviction in the stock, you would have been like, okay, I have to wait for another year and then exit. Fine, that's a different game that you're playing. So it's okay.
So like when you started, did you also have this like
Yeah,
FOMO
I
vibe
in
for
fact I
like?
used to rebuy it also. Next day, if it was going up, I used to rebuy it, and that was the biggest mistake I did because then it went down next day.
Yeah,
Right? Then it's more about instead of FOMO, it's more about lost opportunity. They're like, shit, my investor tha, I had caught it at the right time. I
yeah.
just
Actually, like that day only you said like मैं छूता नहीं हूँ, अगर कोई ऊपर जा रहा था तो मैं छूता नहीं हूँ, मैंने कहा पहले
yeah. When
बोलना
it goes
चाहिए था ये
down, you
चीज़.
sell. No, when it's going up, why would you touch it when it's going up? Let it go
Yeah,
up, and then one day it will fall down. That time you sell. No, it makes sense. जब ऊपर जा रहा है, when something's working, why you want to touch?
exactly.
Happens, Ray. Happens. It's okay. Now you've copied my DP. No, now copy the style of investing also.
Yeah, I will try.
Huh? Done. Awesome. Chalo. Okay. See you guys. See you, Prabal first. Prabal or Prabal? Prabal. Prabal.
Prabal, Prabal.
Thank you, Prabal. Okay, guys. I think that is it for today's session. We shall meet again. Kal kya hai? What is tomorrow? Thursday. Oh, Thursday expiry day. Best of luck, guys. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow again on Thursday at the same time. I think tomorrow I don't have anything. I don't have much to do. So tomorrow is slightly free. So I'll meet you guys at 4:30 p.m. Okay, not Pebble. Yeah, Anoop. It is Prabal. So Anoop's making fun. Okay, chalo. See you guys. Bye.